My name is Dale Stein. I'm the plant engineer for Pepsi Bottling Ventures in Garner, North Carolina. We are a state-of-the-art 350,000 square foot bottling facility. We have over 76,000 work orders currently in our system. With the Dude Solutions, it's really helped be able to track not only the hours that the mechanics will spend on the task, but as well as the parts and the costs that are involved.
Utilizing Dude Solutions in our facility has made it easier for real-time accountability and traceability of the work being done in the facility, also with the inventory in-house.
I have so much information available now that I never had before. I can track people as they're completing jobs. I can get jobs to them quicker. It's a lot more efficient, and the paperwork hassle is completely gone.
All of our documents are stored in Maintenance Edge. You know, it makes it very easy to be able to run reports and retrieve the data when it comes to our audits. The reporting really helps me trend on how the performance of our equipment really truly is. Dude Solutions helps me determine the correct frequencies, or whether I need to add or maybe even remove tasks that are not needed.
I like the platform being able to utilize both the preventative maintenance, the inventory, and the maintenance edge all together seamlessly. That's been a very good addition.
The tablets are great because you're not always having to run back to the PC to get it. I actually use the tablet, and if I get caught without one, I have it on my phone, and I can bring it up on my phone, look a part up from out on the floor without having to find someone with a tablet or go back to the shop to get one. The information that I've got, the ease of parts management, being able to find a part in a matter of seconds other than a matter of 20 or 30 minutes in some instances, it's wonderful. It's made my life a whole lot easier.
My mechanics use the tablets out on the line, and that has enabled them to not have to carry around a stack of papers everywhere they go to get greasy, get oily. They could use the tablets, don't have to go back to a centralized computer, and they can complete their orders, their work orders, their PMs right then and there.
Compared to what we used to do, this is simple. Putting a work order in on my phone or with the tablet when I have the tablet with me, the dude's great.
The Dude Solutions team is great. I just can't say enough good things. They're always there. They're just a phone call away. They walk you through a step if you're having an issue. They're help with the training of my technicians when needed. I just can't say enough good things about it.